Tips on incorporating bold colors coming your way. So many people are intimidated by bold colors, and I think it's because they think if they make the wrong choice, then it's really gonna pop off the palette and therefore highlight their mistake. But sometimes the mistake is not actually having something that energizes the room. The bedroom suite. Try picking a bold color for the headboard. Remember, even a bold color can change with the times. A bright orange or a turquoise or a navy blue. The living room, for example. The go-to is always a neutral sofa because it's probably the biggest financial investment to the room. But a very colorful piece with lots of neutral armchairs and poofs and pillows and wall colors will actually accentuate the room and give a focal point. Not really crazy on investing in a bright orange sofa or a bright turquoise chair? Consider navy blue. Bold colors don't necessarily have to be bright. They can just be substantial. A navy blue or a really deep green can actually read as a neutral in the room, but still breathe life into your design. And last but not least, if bright or bold colors really aren't your thing when it comes to the main furniture pieces, consider a really bright cabinet or a really bright throw on the more neutral chair. Or consider a print on an accent chair. A print will help break up the room and all of those neutrals, but not be so bold as to say, I've got a yellow chair or an orange chair in the room. Anyway, just my 2 cents. Peace out. I want to thank The Brick for sponsoring these videos and to all of you for watching. And as a token of our appreciation, we would like to give you, just $10,000 shopping spree for the room of your choice. Whoa, is that correct? Is that correct? Holy, $10,000! Oh my gosh, and I will personally help you spend that. Like it's a deal. Shake on it. Here's how to enter. Follow at All Things Kortney Wilson and at Brick Warehouse on Instagram. Post a photo or video to your Instagram with the room you want to redecorate. Use the hashtag Kortney's in the house in your post. Tag both at All Things Kortney Wilson and at Brick Warehouse in your post, and make sure your profile is public to be entered. We gotta see it. Must be a resident of Canada to enter. Okay, go do it now.